I'm Rebecca Singer, President and CEO of CIFT, the Center for Innovative Food Technology. Our organization is based in Toledo, but we provide technical and business assistance to food and agricultural companies all across the state of Ohio, as well as serving as an Ohio manufacturing extension partner that enables us to work with the manufacturers in 18 counties in Northwest Ohio. So one of the most exciting aspects in our work is with small businesses and entrepreneurs. We're at the Northwest Ohio Cooperative Kitchen, and we're showcasing a couple of our clients, Country Lane, who makes barbecue sauces, as well as the Guac Shop, who does a lot of different types of guacamole product, because they're just newly established businesses trying to get a lead into the marketplace and understand what they have to do to be successful. And so we're pleased to have the support of the AgCredit Mission Fund to help us do something meaningful in trying to communicate the depth and diversity of the food and ag industry as a whole. What this program is enabling us to do is bring together teachers, high school teachers as a matter of fact, to the table to have a discussion about what are those career paths, what do they look like. We're giving them lab exercises, we're engaging them in the process so they can teach food science successfully in their classroom. It's a really exciting opportunity because many people have an interest in this but maybe don't quite understand how to communicate it fully. The teachers are going to have the opportunity to make salsa and really take that concept all the way from harvesting the ingredients here at this facility to processing it and then trying to figure out how it would be a marketable product in the end. So it's a really neat experience and an opportunity that is so well positioned and needed in trying to showcase what those students might be interested in the future. We're hoping to roll out a contest that will then allow the students to come up with their own food ideas. So the support of the AgCredit Mission Fund has certainly helped us do that. It's exciting because it's going to let communities show their creativity. The students are going to be able to come up with new ideas, and it's going to bring teachers and industry and professionals all together to really look at this robust industry as a whole. We're also very fortunate that we had support from the Ohio Soybean Council in this initiative and through Education Projects, who's helping us to fulfill this workshop. So all of those people, along with CIFT, are able to really engage in a process of being proactive and trying to communicate what the opportunities are in the food industry. How do we share that information? How do we engage every individual, no matter what their age or potential interest is? And where do we inspire and invite the next famous Amos or similar type of food product to materialize in Northwest Ohio?